everybody, in this video I'll be showing you my VS Code extensions that I use that help me out a lot while developing. So first of all, to show you this, I'll just open up VS Code, and for some reason it always works on yesterday. And let me maximize that, and let's just go to the extensions tab. Okay, so I have 9 extensions. So first one is better comments. So this, your comments are just good, you know. So if I was to create a JavaScript file, so I'll just open up a folder and I'll show you this. My folder, I'll just right click, just do Ctrl+N, test my okay. Select folder, and now what I'll do is I'll just add a new file, test.js, and hit enter. Okay, so what Better Comments does is if you were to write like a comment inside of here, so you can like do something. I don't know. No, I can say like create. You see how it just got highlighted over there. So this is what Better Comments does. And if I have like a question, what is a function? So stuff like that. If I have like, what's this? Some alert or something. Let's say don't create a function. You see all those colors. So this looks really, really good. And I do recommend that you go ahead and get this extension. So the next is bracket pair color. Is there any way that I can show you? So if I have like a function, well, let's just do like an arrow function, const test is equal to. So if you're not using this bracket pair colorizer, then as you can see, these brackets have different colors. So if I have like a lot of these brackets, if you don't have this extension, it will be hard to read this. It will be like a headache to read that. So that's why bracket pair colorizer is good. Now next, a theme. So what I'm using is the community material theme. I also have material theme. So I think when you install material theme, community material theme comes from there. So let me show you the theme that I'm using right now. This looks so good. I'm using the community material theme Palinite high contrast. You'll get that after you install this community material theme extension. So this theme looks so good. So the next one is one that helps you out when you're, developing, React, Redux, GraphQL, React Native, and all of that stuff. So it just gives you many, many useful snippets that you can use. So this is a very useful extension. I've used it even in my videos. So, my React course, I've used it in that while creating a component and all of that, or FCE, for all of that, this can be helpful. So download and install that extension. Next is material icon theme. So you see these nice icons over here. If I was to do like test.html, like look at this, look at the icon, test.css, look at that icon. So C#, C, C++, not S++, C++, SAS, everything has that little nice icon over there. That's what this extension does. It's really good. And next, I have Prettier, which is a code formatter. So if I have like, some bunch of indentation, when I hit save, it formats everything for me. So how you can enable this extension is by going to settings, so settings, and then searching for format, and I've turned that on. So this will be, working only if you have a formatter. So Prettier is really famous for a format. I also have format on paste enabled. So when you paste some text, it formats that. Then I have remote WSL. I won't explain about this extension. It's just for if you have WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, and that's how I actually get this WSL and SSH. So that's how I do that. And next, tab 9. So this is very useful. So what this does is it gives you very, very nice suggestions when you're typing. So inside of here, if I was to create like a variable, so it should have given me at least one suggestion. Or let's just write some on boom. So as you can see, it's suggesting code to. So if I was to like get rid of everything and if I do import React, it gives me all of these suggestions. I don't even need to type, just click and enter. Now if I was to do like express equal to require express. So I was like using express to create the backend of a project, and I can do all of that. And yeah, so that's really, really nice. So tab 9 just gives you some, suggestions when you're typing code. So that's helpful. So those are the extensions that I use. So you can just download and install all of these extensions for yourself in VS Code. So these are, one of the most helpful extensions when it comes to programming in VS Code. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.